In this video, I'm going to show you how you can permanently stop Iriun Webcam app notifications. If you are receiving a lot of alerts from this app and you wish to put a permanent stop to these notifications, then just follow these steps. If this video helps, please like and subscribe. Alright, to do this, just go to your app and you need to access the app info page by long pressing on the app, and you should see app info, or even if you don't see this sign, you should see a settings gear here or the name of the app. Tap on any of these to access the app info page. You can also access this page through settings. Then go to permissions, and under permissions, look for notifications. If you tap on notifications, you can see these 6 types of notifications, such as play sound, vibration, permanent, lock screen floating, and notification badges are turned on. Instead of turning off one by one, just toggle off show notifications, and from now henceforth you'll never again receive those alerts from Iriun Webcam app. If you have any other question, kindly let me know in the comment section. Otherwise, thanks for watching, and let's meet in the next video.